Hey guys, I'm back. Did you miss me? I was on my way to the store. I am going to Marshall's and TJ Maxx to do some radon hunting, and I needed to drive by the house to pick up something, and I wanted to show you guys an update tour of what we've been working on for the past 5 days. So here we go. All right, let's go in. This is the tile that we are going to be putting in these two rooms. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. I heard it. That was so fast. We ordered it and it got delivered, what, like 2 hours later?
Less than 2 hours.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I can't wait to see it installed, babe. So we knocked this wall down.
What are you doing, dude? You're on camera.
Alright, up and down. Ready? Set, go! We opened this door up. We took the doors off of it. Those doors are the same doors that were here, only these were a lot smaller. And we opened it up by, I don't know, like 8 inches, I think. So there used to be doors here, and we are going to break this wall and push it all the way back to here. Yeah. So there's power behind this, and he's cutting the drywall.
I think there is.
Yeah, well, the stud finder said there was.
Let's see what's behind the door. Number 1. Nope, there's no electricity there.
Really?
Nope.
Well, then why did it say there was electricity? Maybe up top?
I don't know, maybe there is up here. Because
Let me
there's
see.
a 2x4 there.
Let me look. I don't see anything.
There was up here. See, it's showing some up here.
Yeah.
There's one right there.
Well, you did such a nice clean line too, babe.
Yeah. So I cut it. I actually got to go set up the saw because I need to nail this.
So we went this much wider. Nice. So I talked Shane into putting up a big board right here. This is a 1x6. He puttied it over, but once everything is sanded and painted, it's going to be beautiful. I'm begging him to let me put the glass doors that were there, to put them here or there. So this is the pantry, and I've already painted that door. And there it is. It even has a little reflection sparkle on it. It's the prettiest thing in this kitchen. That's so weird. Besides me. Say it.
Hi. I mean, it's true.
I thought you were gonna say, what about me?
No, it's true. That's prettier than I am.
Oh my
Gotta
god.
love the teenagers learn what to see, you know?
So pretty. But I don't like how deep this cabinet is because I feel like, or not cabinet, but pantry, because I feel like all of this from here over is just wasted space. So I'm gonna beg him and plead with him and see if we can work that out. But he probably won't do it until after we've already moved in. This is the other one that I wanted him to put those doors on, but he would have to knock the drywall out and open this up bigger, which I'm pretty sure that this might not be able to be knocked out because it supports the stairs. But I'm not sure. I know that I can open this wall up. I'm just not sure if we can like bring this forward because this we're thinking is a supporting wall. There was a leak and there was a lot of rot underneath the fireplace and the previous homeowners never used this. So this is probably why. But whenever it rains, we notice that there's no, this is old rot, like it's not wet, is what I'm saying. Like it's raining outside, this should be wet, and it's not. So that's good news. And so Shane's gonna clean all that up and put some Durock there, and then we're gonna tile over this. And the same flooring that's going in those two rooms is also going in here. And I'll show you that flooring, which is up in the hallway. Oh, before I go up to the hallway, I wanted to show you the bathroom. This color, I need to repaint it. I did a sample, and one little sample like covered the majority of this wall, but it looks a little too green. So I'm gonna do something different. I still have not figured out what I am going to do with this bathroom yet. So for now, it stays like it is. All right, let's go upstairs. So here's the flooring. Let me turn the light on so you can see it better. I'm gonna put this in natural light. Here's Aaron's bedroom. So here's Aaron's bedroom. There's a sneak peek of the decor that's going in his room. That's the dog's bed. This is the futon mattress that we put in here temporarily for Aaron to play with while we're still working on the house. It is not easy to work on the house while you have children. Here's the bathroom. We're going to be putting this also in the bathroom. And we are deciding whether we want to replace the tub or not, but we're definitely going to be redoing the tile, but we're not sure when. This is Emily's room. She's already done a little bit of decorating in here. And she put some of her clothes that she doesn't wear very often, like dresses and formal wear. Like this is her her concert dress because she plays violin. She's first violin in the orchestra at her school. And then we still have to do the linen closet. And then this is Jasmine's room. Jasmine wants to paint her doors. And she also wants to paint the doors that go on here. And she brought some of her stuff in as well. Sorry it's so dark. It's a dark, gloomy day outside. And here is my bedroom. These boards are painted. These boards are not because they still need putty. Like to have putty done on them because they're broken in pieces. And then all of these louvered doors, I'm still deciding on whether I want to paint them or not, or stain them. It's a lot of hard work to do that. I'm kind of thinking I just want to leave them as they are. I don't know yet. And then this is our bathroom, which you guys saw in the previous video that Shane knocked this wall down. And it makes a world of a difference knocking down a wall. I mean, this right here was a little tiny space that we had to walk through to get through the bathroom. Okay, it's tiny. It's like, I don't know, 30 inches maybe, not even. But the wall having this extra square footage, even just this little tiny thing right here, just opened it up and made it look so much better. So I'm really glad that I nagged him to do that, because he wasn't wanting to do that until a couple months after we had moved in. And I'm like, no, I need it. I need it now. I need this honey-do list to be done. And I want him to knock this down as well, so that when I'm looking in the mirror, I don't see this. I just want to look in the mirror and see the big, beautiful skylight. So, yeah. So that is basically the update of what we've been working on. We've been doing a lot of work on the pool itself, like the pool pump. Let me turn you around. Yeah, so we've been doing work on the pool pump. We had to buy a new filter, a new creepy crawly thing. I don't know what it's really called. It just like flutters around and it cleans the bottom, suctions up the bottom of the pool. So, yeah, and then he bought a few little things to clean the pool up with. It's so weird looking at the back of me in the mirror. That is so funny. There. There, now you can't see. Haha. So anyway, yeah, that's the tour of the update of what we've gone through so far. And it's been a lot of hard work, and I haven't filmed a lot because honestly, like, I look like complete and total yuckiness, like really, really bad when I'm working, and it's just not good. All the bad angles. No, I can't. I don't have time to film, get the right angles, get the right lighting, and work on the house at the same time. But I do plan on setting the camera up and doing a time lapse of Shane installing the floors. So that's going to be fun. So look forward to seeing that soon from me. So definitely subscribe if you want to see future videos from me. And now I am on my way to TJ Maxx and Marshall's to check and see if there's any raid done. I have been looking for a canister for so long. I found one canister, and it was the bunny rabbit one. And I want a large letter canister. Like, I've never seen a large letter canister before in real life. So that's something that I really want to look forward to finding. I'm going to go on the hunt right now. I'm going to go on the Easter hunt for my Ray Dunn, and I'll take you guys along with me. So that's the end of this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.